Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with Gauge Girl Training, an online meal planning and coaching service. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 things you need to stop doing if you want to lose body fat. So let's get started. Welcome to the first official video on this channel in 2022. We're just gonna jump right into it. If you're serious about losing body fat, the number one thing you want to do is stop using exercise as a weight loss tool. Yes, so many people think that if they work out 5 days a week, hire a trainer, do 2-a-days, that it's going to accelerate weight loss. And don't get me wrong, exercise burns calories and that's great. It's good for your heart, it's good for your mental health, it's good for your muscles, but you cannot compete with what you eat. So the thing is, don't look at exercise as the means to get you to your goals. You really need to have yourself set up on a foundation of proper nutrition and look at exercise as like the extras, you know, to tone your body, to help your mental health, for stress management, but don't look at exercise as a weight loss tool. Number 1. Number 2, I need you guys to stop drinking your calories. This means adding all the extras to your morning coffee, to your tea, doing all those extra things. You guys, when you drink calories, your brain doesn't register them the same way as if you're actually eating real food. It feels as if it doesn't count. For those of you who drink soft drinks, alcohol, guys, not only is alcohol empty calories, it also pauses your ability to metabolize body fat for 48 to 72 hours. So if you're serious, you want to stop drinking your calories. Number 3, you want to stop doing it alone. I am one of those people who tries to figure everything out myself, and I know a lot of you guys are like that too. There's a lot of value in being resourceful. However, in real life, when the pressure of life really starts to cause you to buckle, you are 25% more likely to stick to your plan if you have accountability, a community, a coach, people to talk to about it, and you are 3 times more likely to maintain your progress if you are plugged into a community or if you have an accountability partner. And Gauge Girl Training has an amazing accountability and support system. Whether you're looking for one-on-one online coaching or for any program you purchase, you do get access to our private Facebook group, which is just absolutely amazing for those of you who need that extra level of support. Number 4, stop shunning leftovers. I know a lot of folks are very opportunistic and really think it's a lot of pressure to cook fresh meals every single day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And unless you have the resources to have a private chef or to, have all of that done for you, it is not going to be very practical. So that means, where can you prep a couple meals, whether it's a couple extra steps that you can do for your breakfast or making your lunches a leftover from dinner from the night before. You guys, take some of that pressure off yourself and get in the habit of minimizing the amount of times you need to cook in a week, because the more times you need to cook, it's going to be more of a hassle for most people. Now, there are folks who love to cook, who are great at it and have no issue with it. But again, I'm a realist. I live here on planet Earth, and I know how challenging it can be to cook daily. So don't be afraid of leftovers. Tip number 5, stop grocery shopping in person. This is something that I've really adapted over the last 2 years with Instacart. And this is not sponsored or whatnot. So whether you use Instacart, whether you use Amazon, whichever service you use, by avoiding the grocery stores, the lines, you're going to be less likely and less tempted to add extra things to your cart because you're not physically there. When you're writing it out and ordering it on the computer, you are truly thinking about what you practically and functionally need. So if you are doing any of these 5 things, comment below, because we need to minimize these things if you want to get serious about your fat loss in 2022. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.